Hi, I'm Chris Visser with the March NADA Commercial Vehicle Market Update. This month we'll look at the performance of the sleeper segment in the retail and wholesale channels. Starting with retail, the average sleeper tractor sold in January for $56,488. This truck had 520,764 miles and was 77 months old. This average price was the highest we've seen in more than 6 years. A continued moderate increase in the supply of newer trucks is the main factor behind continued high pricing. For the second month in a row, the 2011 model year was the highest volume seller in the retail channel. These trucks are now hitting the sweet spot of their trade-in cycle, and at less than half the price of a new truck represent a good alternative. Newer trucks continue to bring extremely high pricing, which is evidence of market appetite for trucks with less than 600,000 miles. We expect a mildly increased supply of 2012 model year trucks in the upcoming months, but we don't expect this supply to have much downward impact on pricing. Demand is simply too great to be notably affected by a moderate increase in supply. Moving over to the wholesale channel, auctions appear to have been impacted by January's severe weather, with buyers snapping up mainly the most desirable iron and leaving the rest in the cold. Trucks sold through wholesale channels in January were much younger and lower mileage than in earlier months. The average sleeper tractor sold wholesale in January brought $38,459. This average truck had 623,844 miles and was 72 months old. January was the first month since February 2012 in which less than half of trucks sold had over 600,000 miles. The wholesale market typically has an appetite for trucks with up to around 700,000 miles, but January was an exception. The main factor behind this shift was an unusually high proportion of trucks with 400,000 to 500,000 miles, largely of the 2011 model year. Along with this low mileage was the aforementioned average age, which was actually 5 months younger than trucks sold retail, an inversion the market hasn't seen since February 2012. So, to sum up, we see little change in the retail channel over the next 2 quarters. Dealers can be confident in the value of their late model inventory in the upcoming months. On the wholesale side, we view January's results as a bit of an anomaly, driven mainly by inconsistent attendance at auctions due to severe weather. January's results were extreme, but they reinforced the trend towards decreased marketplace tolerance for trucks with over 600,000 miles. At the same time, we do expect averages to return closer to the recent trend once spring hits. Thanks for watching. Be sure to keep up with our commercial vehicle blog for real-time updates on market data. See you next month.